He say you are beautiful na.
Yung yan. Diyan. Kala mo naman original na ano. Bali mo, ginto.
Which one?
So you work in Dubai? Oh, you work in Dubai?
No, in Ras Al Khaimah.
Ras Al Khaimah. That's good. I live maybe 1 month in Ras Al Khaimah.
Why?
Nice place, quiet.
Yeah.
I said it's quiet place na.
Yeah.
I am here in UAE 8 years.
Yeah. Toxic welcome. Nagkakape ako, busy ako. Kumakain ako ng tinapay.
Give him number, host. So you
Karwan?
can talk like
Problema mo, Karwan?
so you talk in sign languages.
Yeah, I want to sleep. No. No. Sabi niya ba?
Where are you going? He said don't
Why
sleep.
I didn't sleep. Andiyan na naman siya sa notification.
Pabayaan mo siya? Hindi naman.
He show cigarette na. He
No,
show smoking.
that's not TikTok. That's a username. They use
Yes,
notification.
username, I know.
It's not. Yeah, it's not
Yes,
TikTok.
that is not TikTok.
Yeah.
I thought maybe
don't
he
believe that.
showed the
That's a
cigarettes,
scam.
that's why.
No, that's a scam.
Yes, scam.
Not me. I'm here a long time. Okay.
Yes, hey, he is Tiger, Princess. He say open
yes.
your cam.
Who? You said?
Carwan,
I
he
did
say
not
open
hear.
your
I
cam.
did not hear. Yes, huh?
He want to see you, then ask you number.
No need for number. I don't like to give my number na.
Oh. He give you number.
Don't show number. Look at me. Mga abnormal yung pumapasok sa iyong account, no sis? Samantha.
Nah, he's
That's
login
him. That's look at
from
me.
another account. Yes, yes.
Look at me. What is your name? What is your name? Look at me. Siya yan. Yung parang Arabic na sulat.
That's your account?
Yes.
Follow. Siya yan. Yung ano Arabic.
Hi, Professor.
Giovanni.
It's strange. He's strange person, you know.
Natatawa kayo ano? Talagang, bakit? Ang dami pinapa-black